My name is Samantha Scott. I'm 20 years old and I'm a member of Youth Fostering Change.
Hello, my name is Marquise George.
My name is Antonio McCaskill.
My name is Tayron Harris.
Okay, my name is Jonzel Martin.
My name is Grace Clark, and I'm currently 20 years old, and I'm a member of Youth Fostering Change.
We're a group of youth that been involved in the child welfare system. We work on the issues
And help make things better for kids that are in the foster care system now and the future kids that will be.
The issue that Youth Fostering Change is working on this year is youth aging out of care.
A lot of youth are aging out of foster care at a alarming rate, but they're not having a good transition out of care.
homelessness, not having enough education, and not actually knowing where their future is going to be.
I mean, we see it all the time. We see kids on the street or kids in shelters.
I was in a shelter for a long time. I slept at Love Park. I got abused while I was out here on the streets.
I'm scared, emotional, depressed, because I don't have no family, so it's like I don't have nowhere to go.
If they don't give you the proper tools, then what do you have to work with when you go out there? Nothing. I didn't have the proper tools, so when I went out there, I was working with a hammer and I needed a drill. I needed a saw.
My birthday is October 23rd. They showed up at my house October 20th and asked me, well, what are you going to do? Where are you going to go? Do you have money? Do you have a job? And that was my plan for aging out 3 days beforehand.
One thing we want to achieve this year is to have a youth-developed discharge hearing form implemented into the 6-month aging out of care process.
We developed a transition form that we feel that is more directed towards the youth.
It's basically an important key point and checklist of every necessary thing that youth is going to need to be successful in aging out.
It goes over housing, daily expenses,
Education, employment, career planning.
and if the youth have children, other concerns, and important context that the youth may need.
The form will be reviewed, and the youth and the judge and all the other important parties go over it and discuss any issues that they think they might have.
I think this court form basically gives them the visual of everything that's expected of them to reach before that point, so nothing comes as a surprise to no one.
We had to develop a base, which was youth in the foster care system. And from there, we moved on to getting allies.
So far, we've been meeting with lawyers, and we've been meeting with some of the head members of DHS.
And we're eventually trying to get to the judges. So that way, we can implement this paper and have it basically initialized in the process so that when a kid ages out, they won't be left behind.
Yeah, we just feel that this is a huge issue, and we know that this enough isn't gonna just solve it, but we're hoping that this can at least cut the statistics down a little, so if that happens, we'll be happy.